Hi, today we'll be presenting the Bugatti Veyron Roadster Replica. This particular Bugatti Veyron Roadster Replica comes with a V12 BMW engine. This BMW 760 Ally engine is mounted on a tube chassis. As you can see, the muffler system is exactly the same as how it's designed in a normal Bugatti Veyron, with the typical V12 BMW engine with the Audi transmission. We use the Audi R8 transmission there, and the sound of this vehicle, it purrs just like a pussycat. We can offer this vehicle to you today, this supercar with a V12 BMW engine, for only $38,000. Now we offer this in-house finance. You pay $5,000 down, and when we deliver the vehicle to your home, you pay $500 a month, and this is 0% interest. You only pay off the remaining balance of the vehicle. We don't require any form of credit check or credit score, because it's going directly through us rather than through a bank or a car loan credit place. So what we recommend to you today is place an order. It takes 6 weeks to build the vehicle and 2 weeks to deliver it to your home. It'll come with a state tag, some registration license plates of your state, so the car's street legal, ready to drive when you receive it. It comes with a title, and on the title it says Mansory Bugatti Veyron. And you can't get better than that. That's a perfect replica of the original vehicle.